Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today, I will show you some ways to fix AssistiveTouch not working on iPhone. Method 1. Turn off and turn on AssistiveTouch. Open Settings. Scroll down, then tap Accessibility. Tap on Touch. Tap on AssistiveTouch. Turn the feature off. Wait for a while and turn it back on. You can try to enable and disable the settings several times. Method 2. Restart your iPhone. When users experience minor problems, most turn their devices off and on again to fix them. This has the effect of removing some issues. You might be able to fix AssistiveTouch not working on iPhone by using this tip. Method 3. Reset AssistiveTouch option. Select Accessibility in the Settings menu. Tap on Touch. Tap on AssistiveTouch. Choose Customize top-level menu from the AssistiveTouch menu. To resolve the issue, select the Reset option. Method 4. Adjust AssistiveTouch idle capacity. You can't see the AssistiveTouch clearly if it is not set properly. Just go to Settings. Scroll down, then tap Accessibility. Select Touch. Tap AssistiveTouch. After scrolling down, you can tap on the idle capacity option. Then you will see a button to change the idle capacity and drag it. Method 5. Clean the screen and replace the tempered screen protector. Method 6. Reset all settings. Open the settings of your iPhone. Next, tap General. Scroll down and tap on Transfer or Reset iPhone. Tap Reset. Now, tap on Reset all settings. It will ask for your iPhone's passcode. Enter it. After you enter your passcode, a prompt will appear on your screen asking for your confirmation. Tap on Reset all settings to confirm and your phone will restart. If the issue persists, then the corrupt iOS of the phone could be the reason for this error. In this context, resetting the iPhone to its factory defaults may clear the error. Finally, if the issue persists, then you need to contact technical centers specializing in iPhone repair for the best support. And don't hesitate to buy yourself a new iPhone if your current iPhone is too old. That's it guys, hope this information helps you. If there are any other possible methods, please leave a comment below the video. Thanks.